In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Nike discount code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Nike discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see right here we have a list of different type of promo codes. So for example, if you want to get this 25% discount offer, all you need to do right here is simply tap on this promotion, and as you can see there is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that 25% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit you should be able to find this website which is called Voucher, and as you can see right here we also have some deals and some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount of Nike Blazer shoes and trainers, simply tap on this promotion right here, and as you can see for this one there is no code required. Simply select the option to go to Nike website and the promotion, the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.